Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and I'm really happy to finally get my hands on the M4 Mac Mini. Now, it's been out for a while, and a lot of people have already covered it, so I wanted to just try and do something a little different. I'll try and keep the video short, but that's my famous last words. I want to compare it to the 2012, which was kind of, in a way, the king of Mac Minis, well, until the M1 came out. This is definitely the king now. And then an Apple TV, just for a little comparison. So the funny thing, obviously the box is taller, but the whole box sits well within an old size or traditional size Mac Mini. Now I got the 24 gigabytes of RAM. I really didn't need the 500 gigabyte SSD. I could have went, I'd have been okay with 256 because I offload videos and other stuff just onto external drives. But it took much longer if you wanted to configure the just standard model upgrade at 24 gigabytes of RAM, and the other one was next day shipping. So just went that route. Now you can get the Mac Mini for $100 cheaper from Amazon if you want. I did get this one from Apple just because it was, again, next day shipping, and the ones on Amazon are a week or so out. I'm not going to really go into this right now. It's not that relevant. It's always good quality packaging from Apple. I do like the new braided power cord. Kind of like, Apple's just kind of doing everything braided now. Not that there was really anything wrong with just the old plain Jane ones. This is, old school, just white Apple everything. And you can see the prong is a little bit different. But I'm going to try and do this without ripping. There we go. So there it is. Really happy just in hand. It's a little bit lighter than I expected. It's way lighter than this, but the first two things I can say is this has a physical SSD, so it's a 2.5 inch, and then I did the mod where you can fit a second tray in, so then I had a terabyte just standard hard drive, so I do have two drives in there, and obviously this is all just flash chips. And here's the Apple TV. So it is bigger, but I would say it has a lot more in common with this than it does with this. And that was really about all. Now, maybe if people are interested, I can do some speed comparisons between the 2012 Mac Mini. This was the spec'd out, the i7. Again, SSD in it, 16 gigabytes of RAM. So this is as good as this can ever get. This is just going to destroy anything, but I'd just like to see some practical speed comparisons. And I also have the M1 MacBook Pro, so I might go ahead and do some comparisons there. I'm still happy with the M1. I don't see a need to get the M4. It's just too much money for the MacBook until they offer like an OLED or like a complete redesign that I think is really worth getting. Otherwise, I'm fine with just getting a new desktop. And the only thing I don't really like is the power button under here. You can either put it on the edge of the desk, or you can get like little 3D printed things to put under here. But what I was thinking of doing, and the last thing I want to touch on here, is I'd like to get like one of those docks that sit underneath it. But the problem is they're all aluminum, and it seems like they have problems with the Wi-Fi antennas blocking the signal. I use Wi-Fi. I'm about only 3 feet from the gateway, but nonetheless, I would just prefer to do it over Wi-Fi and not an Ethernet cable. So I'm not sure if anyone has any recommendations for a dock And I don't like that the headphone jack is here. I'd prefer it to be on the back, so that would be an advantage with a dock, as a lot of them either lift the Mac off the table and you can get to it, or they'll have a cutout or something. So if anyone has any recommendations, I'd be happy to try out one that hopefully doesn't have those antenna issues that the other ones cause. But for now, I'm going to leave that there. Hopefully at least it was something a little bit different than all the other unboxings, to show a couple other practical things here. You can see it's a little bit thicker, but I'd much rather prefer the dimension of this. It's going to take up way less space. It'd fit fine on a desk or under something. A lot more versatility here. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.